Good morning, students. Here we prepare a video lecture on computer maintenance and troubleshooting. Unit name is Inside the PC Core Components and topic name is Introduction of Computer. Here, objectives are by showing this video, the student will able to learn, list and identify the components of computer system. Second one is form factor, and third is identify different types of computer. Okay, here we first start introduction. First is what is computer? The computer is a programmable electronic device which can store, retrieve and process the data. So computer can store, retrieve and process the data. The another definition is computer is a machine which manipulates data according to a list of instructions. We also know that computer is a combination of hardware and software. So we discuss about hardware. What is hardware? The computer hardware is a physical component of the computer, such as keyboard, monitor, drives, etc. So we can divide hardware into two types. First, input device. Second, output device. The example of input device is keyboard, mouse, etc. While the example of output device is printer, monitor, etc. Now, what is software? The software refers to the set of instructions or programs which direct the hardware to perform their particular task. There are many software available in the computer system. Basically, we can divide into two categories. First, application software, and second one is system software. In application software, all applications are in application software like a calculator, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Notepad, or any other application like library management system, bank resolution system, etc. In software application, all software like system oriented is considered as a system software. So we can say that all type of operating systems are example of system software, like Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux, Ubuntu, Android, iOS. Okay. There is another definition is firmware. So what is firmware? So firmware is a low-level software often stored on electrically programmable memory devices. It is a combination of software and hardware. So there is no any other extra hardware required in firmware. It is by default combination of software and hardware. Characteristics of computer. First, speed, accuracy, reliability, memory capability, and versatility. So all these characteristics mentioned to build a computer or develop or assemble a computer. Form factor. Form factor is a specification of physical dimension, layout, and other explicit information about the hardware. So you can measure all hardwares by using form factor. Form factor helps prevents incompatibility between multiple hardware manufacturers. So the configuration of hardware, or we can say the physical dimension or layout of hardware, is same according to your system. The next topic is classification of computer. There are different types of computer available in market. First one is a personal computer. We also known as a microcomputer. It is used in house or in office. So it is also known as PC or personal computer. The IBM made the first personal computer. So it is the biggest and oldest computer manufacturer brand in the world. So this personal computer is also known as IBM clones. Here you can see the figure of personal computer which is made by IBM. Second one is a mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a large powerful computer which handles the processing for many users simultaneously, up to several hundred users. So mainframe is also known as big iron. In mainframe computer, a terminal is a device which has a screen and keyboard for input and output. So it is more powerful than the personal computer. Another is mini computer. A mini computer is a multi-user computer which is less powerful than a mainframe. In this category, laptop is considered as a mini computer. So we can easily take away from one place to another place. It is available with large scale integrated circuit. So it is cheaper than the mainframe. Workstation computer. A workstation is a powerful high-end microcomputer. So it is an advanced version of microcomputer. They can contain one or more microprocessor CPUs. So there are more than one processor used in workstation. Such a network client workstation could be a personal computer or even a workstation. So we also say that a personal computer is also become a workstation if it has more powerful and more than one processor. The Unix operating system is used in workstation computer as a operating system. You can see the figure of workstation computer. The last type is supercomputer. It is the more powerful computer compared to all others. A supercomputer is mainframe computer which has been optimized for speed and processing power. So it is used for high speed and high process power. A supercomputer is used for applications which must handle very large database or a great amount of computations. The first supercomputer is Blue Pacific, which is made by IBM to simulate the physics of a nuclear explosion. It is operated at 3.9 trillion operations per second. It is 15,000 times faster than the average PC. So you can measure how it is very fast. And also it consists 5,800 processors and 2.6 trillion bytes of memory, which is known as a RAM. And supercomputer require large amount of space. Here you can see the image of supercomputer. So in this video, the student can learn about what is computer, hardware, software, mainframe, computers, types of computers, form factors, firmware, etc. Thank you very much for showing this video.